So let's talk a little bit about the changes that people can make with their mindset to really start to make changes in their money. So the first thing I want to say is you got to acknowledge what your money story is first.
We need that.
Right, going in, figuring out what was the story that was exemplified for you as a child, and ask yourself if that's the story that you want for the future. The second thing I would say is, to acknowledge that money story, because it's also going to help you really recognize what you want and what you don't want. And the third one is, what are your desires for your life to prepare you to start preparing for generational wealth?
Nice, because once your money story is fixed up, we're going to know the implementation of the money. We're going to making your money work for you. The mindset has to be sorted out before we can make moves. The moves we're making are, we're going to define the goals with some numbers. We're going to come up with the exact strategies to make sure the goals become a reality. And then we're going to keep checking in to make sure that the goals are accomplished, because we don't play. We want to make sure that the goals end up being a reality for you, because that's what life is all about, abundance.
So change your mindset, change your money.